Parts of speech explained. Simply to speak and write good English, you need to understand parts of speech. Don't worry, I'll explain them very simply. Nouns. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Examples may include student, school, book, city, cupboard, computer. I am a student. Student is the noun. Verbs. A verb shows an action or a state. Examples may include run, eat, sleep, wash, drink, drive, walk. I eat pasta every morning. Eat is the verb. Adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. They tell us more about a person or thing. For example, big house, big is the adjective. Happy child, happy is the adjective. Pronouns. Pronouns are words that replace nouns. Examples: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. For example, Maria is a girl. She is tall. John is a boy. He is handsome. She replaces Maria and he replaces John. Simple sentence breakdown. Let's look at this sentence. She has a big bag. She is the pronoun. Has is the verb. Big is the adjective. Bag is the noun. These are the most important parts of speech for beginners. Practice noticing them when you read or listen. Do not forget to subscribe to English Made Simple with Gapson for more beginner English lessons.